Yo, what's up? I'm Homie. I'm Homie from your Homie Dog House. Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna give dog baths. These are my dogs. This is Mushy and this is Darby. Stay here, Poochie. No. Stay there, you. Okay. You have to get the water just right. It is. We're letting the doggies get wet. You're cleaning. I'm going to do Moochie. Okay. You've done that. Yummy. It smells like coconut. No, it doesn't. Come on. No, they're trying to walk away. This is getting very soapy. It's like dry. Okay, give me the water. You get the water. Put soap on your head. No, you won't. I just wanted to put some on your forehead. No, you're not. No. No. Washing dogs is hard. No. No. Moochie, no. That is a bad dog. Look it! Ready? Ready? It's a ghost! Look at them walk around. Let's dry you off. Move. We're cleaning our doggies. We're drying. Okay, ready? Oh no! I think we used the wrong shampoo. You think we turned on black? Oh no. They used to be white. Your mom's gonna kill us. They smell pretty. Don't they? Yes. Oh well. Okay. That's good. Well, that was an episode of Homie and Y'all washing dogs. Bye. Bye. Oh, and don't trust us with your dogs. Come on, puppies. Let's go out. Let's go out.
What happened?
Oh no. We have to go.